We're here at Ikea, Bloomington, Minnesota. There's Alex.
Exactly what he said.
You go ahead. These are MEI that were possibly installed by Schindler. We're at 1. Opens up over here. Yeah, view. Pretty standard IKEA elevator. There's a bunch of others that are like these as well.
Takes forever to start though.
Yeah. There's fixtures.
Innovation decorator.
Capacity is 10,000 pounds. It's the indicator. Here we are.
It just said free for like a split second.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even catch that. That's weird.
Alright, we'll end at about 1 because we got to go over there anyway, so you can go ahead and press if you want. There's the moving walk over there.
That may or may not work today.
It was running.
We're at 1.
These are big doors, like Menard size.
They are. The center opening. I'm gonna catch it closing.